11. I'm genuinely excited to never interact with you again. 12. I'd give you a nasty look but you've already got one. 13. If you were the light at the end of the tunnel, I'd turn back around. 14. I don't like you very much, I'm only nice to you because no one else likes you either. Edit. I feel the need to say that this comeback is not to be taken seriously. I've been using it for decades but only to people I like. To use it on someone seriously would be cruel in most instances. 15. I love that you just don't give a shit what you wear out of the house. It's so inspiring. 16. This is why people talk about you when you're not around.